Hi guys, this is Simplex firearm test 10 or 11. I know I'm making 2 Simplex firearm tests in one day. And by the way, those smoke detectors you saw were at Mary Ellen's house. My cousin Mary Ellen's. So, time's 8:08 at night. This is gonna be a different kind of test. We're actually gonna do, I've never done this before. We're gonna actually do different cooling options. Like different codes, tones. So this is going to be a completely different test. So we're going to start with continuous. So let me get the wires connected. So hang on a second. See if this is the right way. Okay, that's the right way. I had this. Okay, we're going to start with continuous now. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to do code 3. Okay, now we're going to do march time. Now we're going to do California code. Okay, I tried that, but I know the wires are kind of weird, but let's do code 44. Hang on a second, code 44. Okay, what other codes can I think of? Which one should we end with? Free March 10. Let's end with pause. Alright. Goodbye.